however you want to slice it, wavy and nice.
Mm-hmm.
You put this one in
Oh,
there.
okay.
Or if you just want to slice and make like potato slices. This is
So what
so
about when I
sharp.
want to, oh, put it there if I need to dice it?
If you want to dice it, yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's a small dice. That's a big
Babe,
one. Hmm?
what about that thing? Do you think it's done? Your rice?
Oh, so all right. Give it some time. Okay. That's it. Oh.
So I guess I need to turn this off then.
Yeah.
It's gonna be cold.
Keep it
I
down.
think the only thing that's the problem is right there.
Right there.
Right there. You can see.
Still the water.
Okay.
Mhm.
It has been down, babe. Has been down. So yeah,
Are you going to eat now, babe?
just a little bit. Why are you laughing, babe? I'm just gonna have a little bit for the sake of the video so that my subscribers can actually see.
That's good. That's good.
Put it there, babe.
Yeah, you need more. Because it's a lot.
It needs more time.
Yeah.
Oh, it sounds
More
like it's gonna
butter.
be a lot. It's gonna be a long while.
All right, talk to yourselves.
Yeah, can you hand me that chair? I'm gonna have a seat. I'm tired. Guys, I've been on my feet since morning. I need to rest. You beat your tongue. Thank you.
Okay.
Ooh.
So with this, you need this. Oh, I showed you that already.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be good for me. I won't need to. I don't know if you guys are seeing because this thing is in the way. Let me see if it makes a difference. Oh, wrong way. Maybe I should put it like
That's
that.
fine. When you wet up the place.
I don't know if they're seeing it.
Seeing what? This?
Yeah, they're not
It's
seeing it.
okay, babe. It's okay.
So yeah, I was saying that this will make life easier for me. I can have my vegetables and everything diced and just chopped without having to do too much. Because I love cooking, but I also love technology. So I love like smart gadgets, just stuff that they're now developing. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
Hmm? Yeah, you don't want
And I
this.
got it on a deal today. So I said, let me buy it. It was it was just for $11. So I bought it. And I got the pot. This pot I got today for $9, $8.99. Yeah, $9 for the walk. So yeah, let me see what Blur is saying. Bro, I have to go to sleep. One advice: read your wife, the sonnet, X and your mother, and tell her thank you. You both are lucky. Oh, all right. Get some rest. I guess it's late where you are at. Have a good night, and yes, he'll definitely read that book, and we'll let you know how it goes the next time you're on our live. Have a good night now, Blair.
Sunday, 6, 7.
Hmm?
No, that's not. That's 12.
Mm-hmm.
Sunday, 12.
Okay, babe, let's dive into this food. Let's tear it up. Let's tear up the food, babe. Come on. Ooh, baby, it's okay. Are you tired? Me too.
Right. You want small plate, babe?
See.
C or no C?
C. No, no, C. C.